Madison absolutely loves a good mid-century modern, and behind this pink door is a home that is sure to impress. And how charming is this mid-century modern open concept feature? Now let me show you the heart of this mid-century modern beauty, the original fireplace with beautiful wood detailing, and check out this built-in. Speaking of built-ins, come check out the rest. And now let me show you this kitchen, including all of the preserved original details, but with updated quartz countertops, new appliances, and this wide open flow, including this flow around the corner, out to the front porch. How cute is this? You'll also find original hardwood floors, an updated bathroom, a finished walkout lower level, and picture windows that bring in so much light while overlooking the park-like backyard. And I simply could not conclude this tour without showing you this massive backyard with a park behind it. And the location is just as special. You're right on the Lake Loop bike path and just up the street from Lake Monona, Meet People, the Muskie Lounge, and Crema Cafe. It's one of those spots that makes everyday life feel a little more fun and a whole lot more connected. I'm Cait Berry with Insiders Realty, and if you're excited about this house, reach out. I'd love to show you around.